Hello everyone, Matt Reitenbach here with Cincinnati Bell at our Cincinnati Bell Kenwood store. Going to talk all that is Sonos Beam Generation 2. Hot off the press, just got one from my friends at Sonos. Thank you, Nick, our account rep, for sending this over and helping us provide this unboxing for you. So let's get to it. Beam 2 looks very similar to the original Beam. The packaging's a little different, more eco-friendly. Take that guy off. Inside looks very similar packaging to the original Beam. Comes in a nice little cloth case. One difference I can see already is the metal grate across the front. Also the Sonos in solid black. The original Beam is cloth, where this is very similar polycarbonate like the eARC that just came out. So same dimensions, 6.9 by 65 by 10 centimeters. You still have your function buttons on the top, so that's all pretty similar. Looks aesthetically on the outside very similar, minus the cloth in the polycarbonate grate. Let's talk about the guts that are on the inside of this thing here, which is the big Dolby Atmos is the biggest difference between the Beam 1 and Beam 2. This one also has eARC versus ARC, which is enhanced audio return channel. So this thing will give you some clear sound. Like I said, Dolby Atmos. Has a processor in it that'll allow you to do advanced Dolby True HD format versus Dolby Digital Plus format. As far as the connections that come with it, it comes in black and white. One thing that a lot of people were frustrated with is if you get the white, the cables are black. On the new Beam 2, whatever color you get is the color of the cables, which is kind of nice. So if you're mounting it to a wall, you don't have this very nice, elegant, white-looking Beam with black cables. So those come in there. You've got the ARC plug here as well. The price difference, your regular Beam was $399.99. This is going to be $449.99. You can put this on your Cincinnati Bell bill for up to 24 months, only $18.75 for 2 years, interest-free. We have them in the store today. They actually came yesterday. So one other great thing about the Beam with the eARC is it does have a large bandwidth and speed, delivering up to 32 different channels of audio, with 8 of those being 24 kilobit and up to 38 megabits of 8 different streams. To put that into layman's terms, it's going to sound real good. So come on in if you want to hear it. It sounds great. I had the pleasure of playing with one of these already and listening to it. Definitely a major difference between the regular Beam. Like I said, we have them in the stores in black and white now, so feel free to stop down to a store and take a listen. Thanks for watching.